Hey guys, check this out. Haisstronica sent over their 2-piece wire stripper and wire crimping tool set and their 330-piece heat shrink butt connectors. I'm going to tell you guys a little bit about these tools and I'm going to show you how to use them. I'm going to connect this LED light to this plug and show you how to make a nice connection. This is the crimping tool. You push this in to release the lock and it ratchets open. You see it's got all these little gears so it clicks. This thing feels really nice in your hand. I really like the grips on it. It's got some good weight to it. And it's got 3 different sizes for 3 different connectors. Next we have the wire stripper. Same thing, this has a nice grip on it. It has this little thing right here. This is a stopper so you can set for the length of wire you want stripped off. You can adjust this dial to bring the jaws in or loosen them up for different gauge wires. This also has a crimping tool on the inside so you can crimp it. And it has a little blade on there so you can cut some wire. This is the wire stripper. This is the 330-piece heat shrink butt connectors. You got red, blue, yellow, white for different gauge wires. These are marine grade. Shrink ratio is 3:1. They're adhesive line tubing. And you have a variety for a wide range of applications. It comes in this nice case. So all these show you what gauge wire they accept. All right, let's test this stuff out on a real application. I'm going to make a little wiring harness for this LED light. So first we're going to set the gauge. And then we're going to, you just put the wire in where you want it. And then it strips it into place. I'm going to do the same thing on this plug side. So that's the wire stripper. Now we're going to use 2 of these heat shrink connectors. So if you see, I did strip it a little too long, so we're going to take a little bit off of each of these. So we're going to use this little blade. Put the wire in there about where you need to take off. Do that on all of these. And nice and sharp. All right. So that's perfect. So I'm going to line that up. These are red, so I'm going to use red. It tells you the gauge wire right on here too, so you match it up. Put that right on there. And you got a nice crimp. I'll get this one in here. Do the same thing. Got nice crimp. Now we're going to get this side. One more. Now we're going to heat shrink these. And there you go, you got a nice connection. So this is the wire strippers, the crimpers, and the 330-piece heat shrink butt connectors. It made working on this LED light and this connector really easy. These are by Haisstronica. I got links in the description, so check it out.